CEDIA Expo 2018 in sunny San Diego. We're in the Legrand booth in the Middle Atlantic section. I'm here with Mike. Mike, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Mike, Legrand obviously has a fairly large footprint. Again, you've got a lot of products going on in all the different divisions, but obviously right now we're in the Middle Atlantic section. Middle Atlantic, obviously, racks and all kinds of goodies in that area. This year you're showing the new C3, which is really, really stinking cool. Tell us a little bit more about it.
So this is our new C3. It's a slim credenza, only 10 inches deep. It allows you to mount your smaller components right in front of the TV, right below actually. It has really cool mounting options like this slide out rack, as well as other ways to mount your equipment. Comes in a variety of colors, so it'll fit any environment that you have, any living room, any place you need it to be. We're really excited.
So is this an extension of essentially your furniture line?
This is. It's an extension of it. It has some similarities. You mount the back pan to the wall, so that way the furniture goes in at the end, the nice wood part, so you don't worry about damaging anything.
This is another one of those products that allows the integrators to really work with the end users and work on that design aesthetic, so they're not just, hey, we've got a bunch of ugly boxes we need to throw somewhere in your house.
Exactly.
How do dealers transition from not being involved in anything from that aesthetic point to starting to work with their end users, with their clients, on the aesthetics of designing pieces of furniture?
They've been doing that for pretty much ever. They've had to put speakers in different places, components in different places. This is just taking it to the next level. In many cases, they're already doing different furniture solutions. This one is designed to fit the AV component specifically. It handles the thermal management challenges, the cable management challenges, so you don't end up putting it in some kind of off-the-shelf solution that you pick up somewhere that isn't optimized for it. So it gives them everything they've been doing already, but makes it better, gives them a more reliable system at the end.
From a design and configuration, is this all done on the dealer portal or the website?
Yep. You can just order the products you need off the website. It's really simple, single part number, really easy to approach this line. It's available in different widths, different heights, different color combinations. It's everything they would need.
I'm assuming that this isn't something that just needs to stay in the residential channel. If there's residential dealers that are working in, again, some of that design commercial side, or that resi-mercial kind of crossover market, does this fit in there as well?
Absolutely. We see it fitting into some of those conference rooms, those boardrooms, and one of the great things in that space is that it is ADA compliant. It's 10 inches deep, so it allows for that as well, which is really important in those markets.
So at 10 inches deep, what is our minimum RU number?
It goes up to, I believe, 4 or 6 RU. There are different rack kits, as well as different shelving kits, so it's really configurable inside to meet the needs.
Very good. So for more information on the C3 and all the other rack products and different products that Middle Atlantic has, where can people find that information?
www.middleatlantic.com.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your time. For more footage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.